And for Delta Duck Hunters. Got a field right here I want to show you. This is a field we planted in millet this year for the ducks. Let me give you a little history about it. It's near Holly Grove, Arkansas, and it's surrounded by these gumshoe bottoms right here. Real good area for ducks. We put a levee all the way around the edge of the field, okay? As you can see, it's got a levee all the way around it, and it's got a wood line all the way around it. It's in a really good spot right here. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit so you can see the back. Back in the back last year, the mallards were absolutely stacked in there. This is a field that the ducks just like to go to. You're gonna kill ducks here. We're gonna have a blind on it. You'll be responsible for brushing your blind. It's guaranteed water. We've got a well on the property. Got a levee all the way around it. It's going to be a flooded field right here full of millet. Any of you guys interested, give me a call. Jay Cranford, Delta Duck Hunters. Phone number is 478-256-3422. Jay Cranford, Delta Duck Hunters. Y'all come see us.